Unexpectedly, printing blank pages on Microsoft Excel happens to a lot of users. So to stop and avoid such a scenario and fix the printing issue, you can follow these troubleshooting solutions and workarounds in this video. As for the first fix, print your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet by page. To do so, on your Excel document, click the File tab, go to the Print section, and then navigate to the Settings section. Now in the Pages section, enter the page you want to print, then click the Print option. Now after printing one page, do the same thing with the rest of the pages. Next, you can fit everything on one page so you will not see any blank cells or pages. Do that by selecting Page Layout, click the small launcher in the Scale Fit to section, navigate to the Page tab, and select the Fit to option. Now you have to set the height and the width of the page to fit all the entries. Once you're done doing that, click Print Preview, and you will then see what the document will look like once printed. For the next solution, make sure that there is a 0 in the zero value cells. Do that by clicking the File tab, choose Options in the left pane, select Advanced in the new window, look for the display options for this worksheet, and then click the box next to Show a 0 in cells that have 0 value option. You can also print your worksheet on high quality layout by heading over to the Page Layout tab and click the small arrow in the Sheet options. Then, select the Sheet tab, and under the Print section, uncheck the boxes next to Black and White and Draft Quality. Now go over the Page tab, select the highest print quality, then select OK. And for your last fix, you can unhide hidden cells in your Microsoft Excel. Do that by navigating to the Home tab, click Find and select Go to Special, choose Visible Cells Only, and then click OK. Now you will see the selected visible cells in your spreadsheet, and the unselected cells are the hidden cells you need to unhide. So to unhide them, all you have to do is right-click on the cell, row, or column, and then select Unhide. And those are the ways on how you can solve the Excel printing blank pages. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.